Hey guys, I'm Graham Elliott, chef, restaurateur, and more importantly, someone that loves to travel. That's what's brought me here to Kentucky. We're gonna see some great people, hear some great stories, and taste some great food. You're about to be rooted in flavor. Greetings from Corbin, where we are surrounded by lush landscapes and amazing family farms. Because of that, that means amazing ingredients that chefs can use in their restaurants, which I am psyched to try out. But first, I have to go pay a visit to the guy that put Kentucky on the culinary map. I'm at the home and museum for Harland Sanders. You know him better as the Colonel. Next, I'm headed to Wrigley Tap Room Eatery to try Chef Kristen Smith's menu. It changes every season, and it's always delicious. All right, so Chef, you were born and raised here, 6th-generation farmer family, right?
Yeah.
And then traveled the world. What brought you back?
Well, I came back to farm, and the farmer's market had just started in Corbin, and it was like a new call for us to get back to our roots.
Yeah, of course.
And so we opened this restaurant. I called all my farmer friends and I said, I need your help. Can you bulk up operations and I'll buy as much as possible, and I'm gonna make all of our food shine.
Right. And now you're inspiring and leading other people. You've got a great team in your kitchen. You're hoping that they eventually open their own things around here too?
Yeah, and that's already happened.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, that's so cool. It's the best, right?
Yes.
Awesome. And so what is your philosophy in the kitchen? Because I know in a large sense it's let's help the community, let's keep it local, but like what makes you every day when you come into the kitchen be like, this is what I want to make?
I like to allow the food in itself to speak for itself and just pride in who we are and what we do through food.
So Chef, I know that you get things as local as possible. Can you please tell me what we got and where this is from? What's the story?
So we've got a nice shoulder tender here we're gonna carve up.
Okay.
So we get at this time of year some amazing Yukon Gold potatoes. So we do a nice palm puree. So we have these beautiful heirloom tomatoes here.
Look at that color, so good.
Yeah.
I love that you're using not only every piece of the animal, like you said, but getting things as local as possible, right? Because it tastes that much better, and you know you're supporting people.
Absolutely. We keep the dollars in the community.
That's so good.
And then these beautiful gutties here.
Okay.
And look at the color.
Wow, that's
oh my
so
gosh.
nice.
You want a bite?
Yeah, of course I do.
And actually,
oh my God, those are so good.
We get this nice J.Q. Dickinson salt. It's the only salt mined in Appalachia.
Really?
To me, this is summertime in Kentucky.
Yum.
I guess you need a fork.
Yeah, well, unless no one's looking, do that.
You're getting the perfect bite.
It's amazing. The cook on the steak, the silkiness of the potato, the ripe juiciness of the tomato itself, all of that together just shines. This is so good.
Well, thank our farmers too.
Yes,
because
of course.
They're what puts it on the plate.
Right.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, awesome. Thank you again so much. I expected nothing less. But you still blew me away. No trip to Corbin is complete without a hike at Cumberland Falls, a state park with a waterfall that folks here call the Niagara of the South. This is where all the delicious local ingredients on the plates in Corbin get their start. Nature at its best. Just beautiful.